let's now see how you can plot a histogram plot. Now what is a histogram plot? A histogram is used to summarize discrete or continuous data. In other words, it provides a visual interpretation of numerical data by showing the number of data points that fall within a specified range of values called bins. It is similar to a vertical bar graph. Now let's see how we can do this. So let's just start with fig x as our usual identity. plt.subplots. plt.subplots, and then we just need to do ax.hist. Now this hist function will actually take x values, the values of x, and you have to also specify the number of bins we want. Like number of bins is like each bin is grouping the data, so how many groups you want, so it's that. Let's put it 8, and then the line width, let's put it 0.5, then each color equals to white. Now ax dot set. Okay, now we can already copy this part as we have shown, because this is the same part. It only gives the x lim, y lim, x ticks and y ticks. Okay, so let's just copy this part. And now we need to do the plt.show so that we can see the plot. This function, hist, is actually taking the x, the number of bins and the line width, and it will automatically plot the data for us. Now here is no x and y, okay, because here this is mainly a statistical plot. This plot is mainly shown so that we can know how the data is distributed and those things. So let's run this. See, this is how we can see the data is distributed. There are 8 bins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is how the data is distributed.